Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Questions and Answers for Trivia Quiz. Today's question is, who was the first author to use a typewriter in writing a manuscript? The typewriter is a fascinating invention that has left an indelible mark on the history of communication and creativity. Here are some intriguing facts about typewriters. 1. Origin and popularity. Typewriters gained commercial success in the late 19th century, revolutionizing the way people wrote and communicated. They were the standard tools for writers, journalists, and office workers for many decades before the advent of computers. Despite the rise of digital technology, typewriters continue to hold value for collectors and enthusiasts. 2. QWERTY keyboard layout. The QWERTY keyboard layout, still used in modern keyboards, was specifically designed to minimize typewriter jamming. Common letters were intentionally placed apart to prevent keys from getting stuck. 3. Manual versus electric typewriters. Manual typewriters required physical exertion to press the keys, resulting in a satisfying clacking noise. Electric typewriters, introduced in the 1950s, brought convenience and speed to typists. The iconic IBM Selectric, introduced in 1961, popularized the use of the unique, golf ball, typing mechanism. 4. Literary influence. Renowned authors like Mark Twain and Ernest Hemingway extensively used typewriters to produce their iconic works. It was said that the first author to use a typewriter in writing a manuscript is Mark Twain, the pen name of Samuel Langhorne Clemens. He purchased a Remington typewriter in 1874 and was one of the earliest well-known writers to use this technology in his work. It is a controversial saying that Twain's first typewritten manuscript was for his book, Life on the Mississippi, published in 1883. Another story says that Mark Twain wrote the manuscript for Tom Sawyer on a typewriter as the first ever typed manuscript. 5. Decline and legacy. With the rise of personal computers in the 1980s, typewriters faced a decline. However, they still evoke nostalgia, inspire artistic expressions, and maintain a thriving collector's market. The answer for the question is Mark Twain. The first author to use a typewriter in writing a manuscript was Mark Twain. The use of a typewriter was a significant departure from the traditional method of handwriting manuscripts, and it marked a technological shift in the way authors composed their works. Thanks for watching.